Yo, what's up, guys? 51 Love, back again. Y'all know me, still the same OG, but I've been low-key. Welcome back to the SS Omnis. This is my spaceship. You know what I mean? I'm flying around the galaxy, looking for the best music ever made, all right? Today, I'm back in Ukraine. I got a new co-captain. Shout out, Daruska. What's up, man? The newest co-captain, absolutely. The newest member to the SS Omnis crew. All right. If you guys want to become a member, link is in the description. If you want me to do the song that you want me to do, and then I want to do if you want me to do the song that I want to do. Wait. If you want me to do the song, you want me to do it quickly, become a member. It's a few bucks, and I'll do it immediately, like that. Won't be on the list or at the bottom of the queue. Unfortunately, it's a very long list. So it's a fair warning. When you request songs, it's put at the bottom of the list, unfortunately. Daruska, he requested FOLKBORNE. Never heard FOLKBORNE. It's a first time listen. Ukrainian, I don't really know what kind of music. I was looking for this one, and there's like, it's a comic video, but I saw there's like remixes and stuff. So I honestly, Daruska, I hope I picked the right ones of all these songs. We got 5 songs. I don't know how I'm gonna fit it all into the thumbnail, but I said I would do it. I usually do 4 just for the thumbnail. You know what I mean? 5, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll figure it out somehow. It might look ugly, but okay. So, and these long intros, sorry guys, I really don't know how to cut them down. I really don't. First song is Shum. That means noise, I think. Dark Honey, Synthetic, Bitri gudуть. That's the winds are howling. And then the last one is Lantsyuhy, which means chains, I think. Yeah, I'm doing my best. My Canadian ass. That's the best I can do. You know what I mean? Yeah! All right, man. And at the end, I'll rate each song out of 10, and then I'll decide if each one is playlist worthy. Okay, I got a Spotify global playlist. Link is in the description. You can follow along as I'm adding all the best songs that I find all around the world onto this playlist from the beginning, since I started this. So it's like, it's already epic. It's already beyond epic, and it's just going to get better and better. It's Ukraine, Japan, South Korea, India, Canada, UK. Like, it's just like magical. All right, man. Enough farting around. Too long of intros. I know you're not even supposed to do intros. YouTube doesn't want you to do intros anymore or whatever. I do it my way. All right, let's go. Whoa, I like it already.
Ти шепочеш на вуха, чую розряди, порве пульс, там біжає кіловати, ця ніч як тривога, як чорна вата, я в'яз.
It's like folk, like kind of EDM, kind of hip hop type shit. That's kind of the vibe. Cool ass AI video, man. It's very well done. Super cool. I love this style. You know what I mean? Love this style. I grew up reading comics. Well, grew up reading comics, collecting Marvel cards, watching, Spider-Man cartoons and shit like that. Yeah.
Замикає контакти, це не почуття, це факти. Часто дані з каменя плавають до дна, ти в цьому винна одна. Під шкірою жум, це не кров, це безум. У голові туман, в тілі вакуум, твій голос тригер мій максимум. Під шкірою жум, шакалака, вібрація сейсмоатака. Stop.
Yo, this is fire. That, like, That's like that frequency, right? The people go it's like that sacred sound. You probably see the symbol around. It's like the third eye symbol. It kind of looks like a 3. I'll put a GIF or something up maybe, but that's like a healing frequency. It's a God's frequency. So it's like that feels healing. The song feels good. You know what I mean? It feels good. I like it.
Дивись мені в очі, я чую, як струм цей гуркоч. Німий діалог електричний, опік я чую цей шум, це мій власний допінг. Шакалака. Шакалака. Під шкірою жум.
Is that the Sapilka?
Соненна кров тебе, це безум. Туман, тілі вакуум, твій голос тригер мій максимум. Під шкірою шум. Шакалака. Шакалака. Вібрація сейсмотака. Шакалака. Вібрація сейсмотака. Шакалака.
That was fire. Shout out to Giovanni for producing that, if that's who that is. That was fire. I liked it a lot, man. Nice and short and sweet, too. Don't drag it out too much. Just boom, in and out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah! Absolutely. Great start, man. I like this dude. That's a cool vibe. Never really heard anything like that before that I can think of. What do I give that out of 10? I mean, 8.95 out of 10. Playlist worthy? Yeah. Wow. I'll put it on there. That's a vibe. I'll be driving. That shit comes on. I'm like, fuck yeah, dude. Yeah. Absolutely. All right, let's move it along, man. Dark Honey. See, Hypnotic Ukrainian Dancehall. Like, is that a remix? I don't know. Or is it just that's what it is? Okay. It's a little confusing, FOLKBORNE. Especially if you're watching. It's a little confusing to people like me. I don't know if that's the actual song or if that's like a Ukrainian dancehall remix. I mean, I guess it doesn't say remix, but yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm assuming that's the one. I don't know what UA means. All right, let's go. This one came out 4 months ago. Okay. Whoa. Hell yeah, dude.
За туманну, де пахнуть сухі трави. Твій погляд, як морок солодкий, лукавий. Твої губи то мед, елемент, той з-під криви. Я п'ю цю отруту, не бачучи заради.
Dude, this guy's voice is insane. It's like baritone. It's so like healing. He has that like frequency I was saying on the last one. Like it just like it resonates. It like vibrates your whole body. I don't know. This is vibrating my body. I don't know. Oh, yes.
I keep running from that honey taste that takes control.
Oh, I love that.
Hell yeah!
Hey.
Де був соло, там тепер волин, я самотній. мріяв до тебе та втонув у тиші. That honey, you're my that honey. You're that honey, taste still lives from my soul.
Whatever that progression is, that it gets me every single time. Like whenever I hear that, it immediately grabs me. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it's called, but I love it. Every time I hear it in a song, I get like goosebumps. So I love it.
Oh, so running, I keep running from that honey, taste that takes control. Чекає, серце знає, та все ж забуває. Цей солодкий туман ночі крає, біля мене це чекає. That honey, you're my that honey. You're that honey, taste still lives from my soul. Oh, so running, I keep running from that honey, taste that takes control.
I love it. So good, dude. Hell yeah, dude. Yo. Daruska, you been watching a little bit? He's starting to fucking, he's like, you're like, I know he'll like FOLKBORNE. I can tell. And bro, if you're watching it, you think I'm like pandering to a new member or some shit like that? Nah, I don't play that way. That is legit fire. Like absolute fire. Like, no question, dude. I loved it. Like that to me, 9.65 all day. I mean, you know it's playlist worthy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Don't waste more time. Let's get into it, man. I'm fucking pumped. That got my heart racing, that one, actually. Like, legit, bro. Synthetic. I hope it pops up. Synthetic. Oh yeah. So another like hypnotic groove. That's what he calls it. Hypnotic groove. Dancehall fusion. Official mood video. So very similar looking, obviously. And that one was fire. So I'm expecting this one to also be fire. All right. Those are legit like healing frequencies. You know what I mean? You might not realize it, but like that frequency, the like that is like, that's a vibration, a frequency, and it resonates in all your molecules and shit. And like, it's a healing one. It's like a good frequency. Hopefully it's in 432 hertz. So they mostly, I'm not sure if you guys realize, they mostly release music in 440 hertz, which is actually a damaging frequency. So most of this music that you hear on the frequency, it's good. You like it. It's good for your brain. But it's not usually good for like your body. Shit. If you release a song in 432 hertz, it's like good for the whole body and soul type shit. All right.
Glass in the tower, digital hour, gold in my vein, static in the rain. Loot on the wind, don't know where the human end, don't know where the core begins. All these artificial scenes. They sell me the fantasy, but they can't take the man from me. This feeling running under my skin, this is where the real begins. They call it synthetic, I call it authentic. My world is electric, my feel is magnetic. Synthetic, authentic.
Your face on the screen, is it real or a dream? Pixel eyes looking back, put my heart on attack. This connection is a lie, but I feel it when you cry. A ghost in the data stream, a holographic broken dream. They sell me the fantasy, but they can't take the man from me. This feeling running under my skin, this is where the real begins. They call it synthetic, I call it authentic. My word is electric, my feel is magnetic. Synthetic, authentic. They call it synthetic, but my soul is authentic.
Oh, this is fire, dude. It's so fire. It's one of, is it? It's all in a new sound, a new pulse. Interesting. Dancehall. Okay. Celtic and folk flutes. Interesting, man. Yeah, I never really heard anything like this before. This is dope, dude.
Play so low under the holographic glow. They can change the sky above, but they cannot change this blood. They can't rewrite this code of mine, this human dark design, this dark design. They call it synthetic, I call it authentic. My word is electric, I feel it magnetic. Synthetic, authentic. They call it synthetic, but my soul is authentic.
Hell yeah, dude.
Synthetic, authentic. Synthetic. It's very authentic. My soul is
Fire.
authentic.
Damn fire. I can't read what it says because of this. Alright. So fire. Didn't quite like it as much as the second one, but still absolute fire. Still 100% playlist worthy. It's on the playlist. Don't need to do the graphic again. Too much editing sometimes, you know what I mean? Gets annoying. But out of 10, I mean, like, that's a 9 out of 10. All day. All day. Didn't quite like it as much as Dark Honey, but like they're like neck and neck. And I was like, well, should I put it on the playlist because they're almost so similar? And that's kind of how my brain works. I'm like, well, should I put? Of course, man. They're both absolute fire tracks. So we're 3 for 3. Can we go 5 for 5? I mean, it's gonna get harder and harder. I'm gonna be more and more picky as it goes, probably. But next one up is Bitri gudуть. Oh, it's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. I don't know how to spell it. What is it? Maybe if I put the winds are howling, it'll pop up. Oops. That was absolutely terrible. Should be ashamed of myself. Everybody's changing the channel now. They're like, you're a retard. No. Okay, hold on. I gotta copy and paste something here. Give me a second. Alright, I think I found it. Bitri gudуть. No video, I don't think. No. Only 2 minutes long. Nice and short. Alright, the winds are howling. Let's go. There's that frequency again. Oh, I love it. Love it. Yeah. That's yeah.
Поля кличе, Бітри гудуть, старі гори стоять і ждуть. Там, де сонце землю цілує, там душа моя.
All his songs have that like chord progression that I like. The I love it, dude. I love it. I can't not love it. I mean, I'm into it.
Сумує, барабани серця, ритм гучний. Від Карпат до степу голос міцний. Кров гаряча, мов вогонь в печі. Слова летять, як стріли вночі. Земля в руках, а в небі зорі. Ми на шляху, ми свої історії. Шепіт лісу, голос пращурів. Укладають долю в долонях вітрів. Моя не сумує. Голос батьків, мов грім уночі. Ми рідні духом, хай світ це побачить. Тіні танцюють під місяця світ. Небо шепоче, свобода це мій. Сонце встає, запалює дні. Ми не скорені, живі у вогні. Гей, гей!
Man, unbelievable. I love it. It's right in the pocket, man, right in the wheelhouse. Clearly Daruska knew. He's been listening, watching the show. It's obvious. And if you didn't know that I was gonna like that, I mean, you know now you know. If you don't know, now you know.
Yeah!
Fire, absolute fire. I mean, what can you say? 18K views. It needs more, but isn't that just the way it goes? You know what I mean? Unless you sell your soul to ball, you're not gonna, get millions and millions of views. So stay true to it, FOLKBORNE. If you're watching, don't sell your soul, man. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Out of 10, I mean, it's a 9.15. Playlist worthy? I mean, yeah, it is. It is. It just is, man. And I'm not even in that good of a mood. It's just like, it was just fire. It's just good. Good music is good music. You know what I mean? Like, it's undeniable. It's undeniable. All right, last one is Lantsyuhy, which means chains. I know it's probably the worst pronunciation of all time. Okay. Did I copy it wrong? Sorry, guys. Give me a second again. All right, I think I found it. I think it's this one. Terrible. Oh, is that the album? Oh man, that's confusing when you don't speak the language. I mean, like, there's that one. It looks like they're all three of those are the same. I don't know, man. This one finally popped up because I can see it's right there. So I'm gonna play this one. If it's not the right one, sorry, dude. But this one has a video, so it looks cool. Haunting Ukrainian music about the pull of home. Oh, chains. Chains? Yeah, it's gotta be it. All right, let's go.
сірі стіни дихають легендами. Кожен двір моя фортеця списана тегами. Пахне дощем асфальт, що пам'ятає мої кроки. Перші думки розбиті, мрії, вивчені уроки. Це місто мені як стара касета грає на репіті. Його вайб у моїм біті, його біль у моїм впліті. Я несу його ім'я як прапор кожному слові. Частина сили, що тече по моїй крові. Але це місто лабіринт, де кожен крок знайомий. Повітря тисне, ніби стеля у старій зьомні. Кожен погляд тут наче туман, не дає злетіти. Кожен слово тут наче обман, щоб не дати йти. Моє коріння, мої стіни ланцюги. Тримаю до землі, я чую поклик, не палають ні тутешні вогні. Та корінь не пускає, ні моє коріння, мої стіни ланцюги. Тримаю до землі, я бачу світло, та навколо тільки береги. Вростаю липше, доки є снаги. Мені казали, будь-як всі нерви за хмари.
Interesting. I noticed like that chick holding a... What was that? Was that like a ram's head or some shit? Interesting. Interesting. I know Ukraine has a lot of ties to like old pagan stuff. Just with all the stuff coming to light and like the old Canaanite, like all this Baal worshipping and evil stuff like that. So when I see like the old like skulls and masks and stuff, I'm always like, is it dark or is it light or is it both? Is it the dichotomy of both? Is it, you know what I mean? I don't know. Sometimes it's best not to dissect too much, just enjoy the music, but I can't help it.
Тут твій наділ, твоя земля, твоя родина. Тут кожен знає, хто твій дід і що ти винен долі. Посмішки сусідів, часом гірші за неволю. Я бачу сни про автостради, вокзали і аеропорти, де горизонт це лиш початок, а не фінальні корти. Хочу вдихнути вітер змін, що пахне сіллю димом. Та прокидаюсь там, де був, і все здається зримим. Бо це місто лабіринт, де кожен крок знайомий. Повітря тисне, ніби стеля у старій зьомні. Кожен погляд тут наче туман, не дає злетіти. Кожен слово тут наче обман, щоб не дати йти. Моє коріння, мої стіни ланцюги. Тримаю до землі, я чую поклик, де палають ні тутешні вогні. Та корінь не пускає, ні моє коріння, мої стіни ланцюги. Тримаю до землі, я бачу світло, та навколо тільки береги. Тримаю до землі. Читаю статті. Тримаю до землі. Тримаю до землі.
Dope. But I hate to break it to you. We didn't go 5 for 5. It was very close, but we did go 4 for 5. Just wasn't quite, just was, you know, I mean, it was good. It was dance hall, which isn't my favorite genre of all time. I mean, if I'm on the dance floor, yeah, I like dance hall. When I'm just normally listening to it, and even like when I'm driving, it's not my, I find that continuous beat to be a little, it's not my favorite beat, if you know what I'm saying. It's not my favorite genre. But I would give that one a 7.75. Not playlist worthy, unfortunately, but the other 4 were a magnifique. FOLKBORNE just went to the top of the list for me of Ukrainian artists, right up there with Carpet Man, Black Soil, Ginger, Onuka. Yeah, there's a few up there, but right up there, man. Absolutely beautiful. Well done. Thank you to Ruska for the requests. Thank you for becoming a member. And again, guys, if you want to become a member, links down in the description. Just click that. It's like $3 or $4 if you want to, you know, hop in the SS Omnis, request where I go next, fly around the galaxy with me, hit it, let's get it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and stop hating on people, all right? Because when you're hating on people, you're just hating on yourself, all right? Because we're all one. We're all connected. We're all divine sparks. We're all one consciousness, right? We're all just being. We're all just like, we're all here together. So stop hating. Start spreading more love out there, all right? Start helping people out. Got that? All right. Peace.